Hello, my dear students. In this lecture, we are going to see one numerical on radiation shield. Let us understand the question. The question is, determine percentage reduction in radiation heat exchange in watt per meter square between two large parallel steel plates of emissivities 0.8 and 0.5 held at temperatures of 1000 Kelvin and 500 Kelvin respectively if a thin copper plate of emissivity 0.1 is introduced as a shield. Now let us understand what is the question. Here there are two steel large parallel plates. Let us say this is a plate number 1 and there is another plate. There is a plate number 2, right? Now here plate number 1 as well as plate number 2 is a steel plate. Now for plate number 1 temperature T1 is given 1000 Kelvin and for plate number 2 temperature T2 is given 500 Kelvin, right? Again for emissivities, here emissivity 1 for plate number 1 emissivity 1 is given 0.8 and for plate number 2 emissivity 2 is given 0.5, right? And my dear students, if there is no shield, there is a heat exchange between inside surfaces of these two plates, right? And in second case, this is the first case. Let us say this is the first case. Therefore heat always flows from high temperature to low temperature. Therefore heat will be flowing from 1 to 2. Now in second case, for the same arrangement, my dear students, here I am considering same arrangement for the, let us wait a minute, for a same arrangement, same type of arrangement, right? This will be the same arrangement. Here I am introducing one radiation shield in between, and it is made from copper. The radiation shield, let us say, is 3. This is a radiation shield which is made from the copper. Let us say this is a 3. And my dear students, here the emissivity of this radiation shield, that is emissivity 3 is equal to 0.1. This is given here, right? And in this second case, this will be the second case, that is with shield. Now what will be the heat transfer rate? And here they are asking determine percentage reduction in radiation heat exchange. We have to find percentage reduction in radiation heat exchange. Let us find first heat exchange. Now my dear students, here for this first case, for infinite long parallel plates, the simplified version of formula we are going to use here, we have derived that the heat transfer per unit area, which is heat flux, and here they are asking watt per meter square only. Therefore heat transfer per unit area, which is heat flux, that is watt per meter square, is nothing but sigma T1 power 4 minus T2 power 4 divided by 1 upon emissivity 1 plus 1 upon emissivity 2 minus 1. This is a formula without shield, right? This is a heat transfer without shield. Now here I am going to erase the question so that we will get sufficient space for the solution, right? Now my dear students, therefore the heat transfer rate per unit area, that is heat flux without shield, Q without shield is equal to, here sigma T1 power 4 minus T2 power 4 divided by 1 upon emissivity 1 plus 1 upon emissivity 2 minus 1. This is a simplified version of the formula. So let us find here. Therefore, sigma Stephen Boltzmann constant is 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 into T1 is given 1000, 1000 power 4 minus T2 is 500 power 4 divided by 1 upon emissivity 1 is 0.8 plus 1 upon emissivity 2 is 0.5 minus 1. This Q without shield, we can say Q without shield is equal to 53156.25 watt per meter square. After introducing shield, let us find the heat transfer rate. Right. Now here we have calculated without shield, so I am going to erase this diagram also. Now let us, after introduction of shield, let us find the heat transfer rate. Now again heat transfer rate per unit area, that is heat flux with shield, with let us say n shields, right? That formula also we have derived, and this formula with n shield is nothing but we have sigma T1 power 4 minus T2 power 4 divided by 1 upon emissivity 1 plus 1 upon emissivity 2 plus here 2n divided by emissivity 3 minus n plus 1, where n is number of shields. How many number of shields you have used, right? Emissivity 3 is a emissivity of sealed. Emissivity 1 is the emissivity of first plate and emissivity 2 is the emissivity of second plate, right? Now my dear students, here we have used only one shield, that is n is equal to 1. Therefore for this case, q with shield will become sigma t1 power 4 minus t2 power 4 divided by 1 upon emissivity 1 plus 1 upon emissivity 2 plus 2 divided by emissivity 3 minus, this will be our equation, right? So let us find here heat transfer per unit area, that is heat flux with shield. Now sigma is 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8. T1 is 1000 power 4 minus T2 is 500 power 4 divided by 1 upon emissivity 1 is 0.8 plus 1 upon emissivity 2 is 0.5 plus 2 divided by emissivity of shield is given 0.1, 2 divided by 0.1 minus 2. For this heat transfer rate with shield will be equal to 2501.47 watt per meter square, right? Now my dear students, they are asking what is the percentage reduction in heat transfer rate. So let us find percentage reduction in heat transfer rate, right? Now my dear students, the percentage reduction or percentage change, here percentage change is nothing but final minus initial, final value minus initial value divided by initial value into 100. This is called percentage change. First of all, find percentage change. Therefore percentage change in heat transfer is final value is with shield, it is q with shield, initial is q without shield, q without shield divided by initial is q without shield into 100. So let us put the values. Q with shield is 2501.47 minus q without shield is 53156.25 divided by q without shield is 53156.25 into 100. Therefore this percentage change we can say is equal to minus 95.29%. Now as percentage change is negative, that means there is a decrease in heat transfer rate, right? And here in question they are asking what is decrease in heat transfer rate. Therefore my dear students, the percentage decrease, we can say the percentage decrease is positive, right? Here 95.29%. By this much percent the heat flux is decreased. Thank you dear students. In next lecture we will see one more numerical on this topic.